For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hotels in Himachal Pradesh remained closed even though the state government has reopened the state for tourists. The Hoteliers Association has said that allowing tourists into the state would lead to an increase in COVID-19 cases and community transmission. Himachal Pradesh government has issued SOPs to hotels and restaurants after it opened tourism in the state.
Both the hotels were allowed to open, and the restaurants, as also the dhabas and the halwais, were allowed to run their business. A 29-page SOP was circulated by the Department of Tourism of our state, and that primarily consisted of the protocols that will be put in place before you open these premises, and how are you going to conduct the business.
The tourism department had conducted a 3-day program on how to follow safety guidelines.
In fact, before the restaurants and the other eating places were allowed to open, I personally had organized a training session, and this was spread over 4 days, in which we told all the stakeholders as to how they are going to conduct their business. Subsequent to that, the hotel industry, they also wished, some of them wished to open their premises. For them also we held about a 3-day training program.
The Hotel Association has opposed the decision of reopening tourism and said that it is not a good idea at this juncture.
Now we feel the cases are extremely on the high rise, and it says that July and August is going to have the peak. So I fail to understand why this government is insisting for tourists to come in Himachal at this moment and put in danger the lives of our locals, our villagers, our staffs, our hoteliers. I definitely don't feel this is the right decision.
The hotelier also spoke about how the hospitality and tourism industry has taken a hit, despite which hotels are not ready to reopen.
A lot of my members have agreed not to open the hotels at this time. Definitely we have suffered a lot. The industry has totally suffered, but this doesn't mean that we open it right now.
Several hoteliers are also alleging that the SOP issued by the government favors only the big hotels.
So the SOPs which has been issued by the tourism department, it has come basically from the MHA, from the center. Now these SOPs, what we had told them, that you should sit with us, understand our problems. Now these SOPs suit the big hotels. It doesn't suit a small hotel which has 5 rooms to 20 rooms to 30 rooms. There are certain issues.
Another hotelier claims the hotels will not reopen till September 15.
हमारे यहाँ पे कोई भी केस संक्रमित कम्युनिटी संक्रमित नहीं हुआ। कोई भी जो हमारे केसेस हुए हैं उन सब की ट्रैवल हिस्ट्री है, तो इसको चलते और यहाँ तक कि जो हमारे होटलियर्स हैं उन्होंने स्वेच्छा से 15 सितंबर तक अपने होटल बंद करने के लिए बोल दिया है।
The hotelier also said that it is because of the collective efforts of people the state has been able to keep a tab on the number of cases.
जब हमारे होटलियर्स को दिक्कत नहीं है और किसी को नहीं है, हमने इस सब के कलेक्टिव एफर्ट से हम आज तक इससे बचे हैं, तो अचानक से सरकार के ये बॉर्डर खोल देना, अगर इनको आर्थिकी की इतनी ही चिंता है तो इन्होंने, जो हमारा पीक सीज़न होता है वो 15 अप्रैल से लेके 15 जून तक होता है, तो इन्हें उस टाइम इनको खोलना चाहिए था।
While tourism has been permitted on paper, Himachal Pradesh is technically closed for tourists as over 3,550 hotels still remain closed.